In this tutorial, we will discuss about not equal or does not equal operator in Google Sheets. And the operator is this. So when you write this, this is what in Google Sheet used for not equal symbol. So how do we use it? So let's say you have a number on cell A1, another number in cell A2. You want to see if A1 is equal to B1. So I'll say equal to A1 not equal to B1 is true, which means 1 is not equal to true, and this is how you use the not equal symbol in Google Sheets. Okay, there is another way you can write the not equal function in Google Sheets, and this is like equal to NE, and this is the not equal formula, and you can write inside this parenthesis the value 1 and value 2. So the two values that you want to compare. So in this case what I'll do is I will compare A1 with B1 and press enter, and the result is true. That means A1 is not equal to B1. So this is how not equal operator works in Google Sheets. Now let's see some examples. So here I have few text in cell A4, A5, A6 and B4, B5, B6, and we want to compare the text and see if they are equal or not equal to each other. So I will write equal to, I choose A4, not equal symbol, then B4, and it says it's true. That means these two are not equal. So the next example is where we are comparing A5, which has a text New York, and B5, which has the same text but all in small case. So I'll say A5 not equal B5, and it says it is false. That means both of them are equal. So the not equal operator is case insensitive. It does not care about the case. So keep in mind this thing. And the last one will say A6 is does not equal B6. Press enter and it's true, because we have missed the space between two words. That's why it's saying both of these text in A6 and B6 are not equal, which is true. Great. So this is about comparing text. Now let's see how do we compare dates. So we have a few dates in column A and few dates in column B. Now I'll compare this date with this date and say if it is true or false, and it says it is true. That means this date is not equal to this date. Okay, now why is that? So here the date is 12th January 2022, and here the date is 12/01/2022. So if I double click on the date, you can see that this is actually the 1st of December 2022. That is why these two are not equal and the result is true. Now if I drag this to the other cells, you can see that 11 January does not equal to this date because this is 1 November 2022. Similarly, 10th January 2022 is not equal to January 9, 2022. So this is how you compare dates. Now let's see how do we use this not equal operator with some of the functions, some of the popular functions in Google Sheets, and let's see some of the examples here. So first we will see how do we use not equal with the if function. So first let me clear this out. So in column A we have some names listed here, and in column B we want to give a if condition to check whether the name in column A is equal to the name that we are checking for. So I will say equal to if A1 is not equal to Sam, then output not Sam, else output Sam. So I press enter and you can see, so Larry is not equal to Sam, and that is why it says not Sam. Now I will drag this formula, and here also you see it is not Sam, not Sam. Now if I just change this thing to Sam bar, and now if I drag this formula, and here you can see now it is equal to Sam. Okay, so this is how you use the not equal operator in if function. If you want to see more examples of how to use not equal with other functions, check out the link given in the description.